Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are taking a closer look at a fantastic tool to maximize your battery life called DeepDoze Enforcer. This is a powerful battery-saving module designed for Magisk, KernelSU, and APatch. If you struggle with excessive battery drain while your phone is sitting idle, this module is exactly what you need. It enforces DeepDoze and temporarily restricts background apps while your phone is locked, saving you precious battery without messing with your essential settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, location, or sensors. First, you will need to download the DeepDoze Enforcer zip file. Once you have that downloaded to your device, go ahead and open up your favorite file manager. Navigate to your Downloads folder to verify the zip file is there and intact. It is a lightweight package, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to managing how your Android system handles idle battery drain. Now, let's install it. Open up your Magisk Manager app, tap on the Modules tab at the bottom, and select Install from Storage. Find that DeepDoze Enforcer zip file we just checked in the File Manager, select it, and watch the installation process run. It only takes a moment to finish. Once the flashing is complete, you will see the Reboot button appear at the bottom right of your screen. Go ahead and tap that to restart your device so the system can fully load the new module. All right, we are booted back up. Let's open Magisk again and check the Modules tab. As you can see, DeepDoze Enforcer is active. So what exactly is it doing? Whenever you lock your phone and the screen goes off, the module immediately forces the device into DeepDoze. It safely moves non-whitelisted apps into restricted standby buckets, preventing them from deferring jobs or alarms in the background. It denies background run permissions and can even force stop idle apps in aggressive mode. Google Play services and other Google apps are handled just like normal here. The beauty of it is that it is tied directly to your lock state. Waking the screen releases Doze, and your apps are restored to their original state within 10 seconds, ensuring your phone stays perfectly responsive. It also offers an opt-in experimental CPU throttling for extra savings. That wraps up our look at DeepDoze Enforcer today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Android mods. Catch you in the next one.